Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 16th of December 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that the dollar may continue to move sideways if we're not able to go above and close above the highs here, or go below and close below the lows here. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. On Monday, the market initially moved down to the bottom of this base and then moved to the upside. On Tuesday, we continued to move up to the top of the base. On Wednesday, we sold off from the top of the base. On Thursday, we started to hold this area around the middle of the base. And on Friday, we moved up above the base and then closed back into the base. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? Very similar to what we said last week, apart from this is looking a little bit more bullish now. If we're able to go above and close above the top of this base, it's likely we're going to continue moving to the upside. If on the other hand we go below this pivot here, it's likely we're going to move back down to the bottom of the base and potentially lower. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. Last week we said on the weekly chart that we may move to the downside since we put in a lower high and price direction was to the downside. But this was negated last week, and so the market's looking a little bit more bullish now, and we actually put in a higher high. So based on this time frame, it's likely we're going to go higher. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, as we've said all along, a couple of months ago we closed above this high of this bar here, putting the odds higher on a continuation of the move to around the 100 area. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free webinar I'm taking part in tomorrow, Monday, December the 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Myself, along with another 4 traders, will be discussing the future movements of the S&P 500. I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up for this free webinar. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.